Hello and welcome back to Rob's workshop. Now, anyone with a small workshop will understand how important it is to have everything on wheels. Early on, when I started working in a small workshop, I realised how important it was to have everything on mobile bases or wheels or trolleys I've made myself, so you can move it out the way to use something else. When you've used that, you can put that out the way and have some clear space. So if you look around my workshop, everything that's too heavy to pick up and move physically, I've got on casters or mobile bases or a way of moving them quite easily. So if you look at me planer thicknesser there, that weighs a ton. So I've got it on a mobile base, so that can be moved around to wherever and then lift the casters up and it stays in place. Great. Now my bandsaw there, I pinched some wheels off an old pram and I've put it there, so that can be tipped over and moved to wherever I need it, if I ever need to move it. My dust extractor, that's on a mobile base on casters. My table saw there, that's on a mobile base, although I never really seem to move that one. I try and leave that in place if I can. The extractor for that is also on casters, so that can move. My mitre saw there, I've also made a little base for that, and that's on casters, so that can be moved out to wherever I want. I've just bought off eBay, off a nice man in Doncaster, this little spindle moulder, which is a great addition to any workshop. So I've bought this from Amazon, and you can find a link in my affiliate shop, which will be in the description below. So when I put this together, it'll go under the spindle moulder, and I can use it wherever I want around the workshop. This is a light duty base, but they're great for any machine. You can get heavy duty ones, but you pay a bit more for them. So yeah, I'll just put this together and then put the spindle moulder on it. They are quite simple to put together. They're only a few nuts and bolts. Okay, so that was dead easy to put together. It only took me about 10-15 minutes, if that. Once you've got all the tools that you need, it's like putting a Meccano set together when you were a kid. So what I needed was a couple of 10mm sockets, a 14mm socket, 13mm spanner, a 19mm spanner, and I need to get myself a set of bigger sockets. So for the top nut, I had to use an adjustable spanner, which should have been 16mm. So I need to get myself some bigger sockets. But yeah, dead easy to put that together. Now the hard bit, lifting the machine onto the base. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Right, that was a bit easier than I thought it was going to be. Normally it's quite difficult to manoeuvre a machine onto a mobile base, so if you can, phone a friend, get someone to help you, but that wasn't too bad. Now it's nice and stable on there with the lock and casters. Yeah, happy with that. If I take the casters off, take the locks off the casters, moves around quite easy. And this is a heavy machine because it's got a cast iron tabletop, but yeah, happy with that. So when I need to, I can just wheel it out, use it and put it back. And it's ended up the same height as my table saw, so that's a bonus. Right, so it's been a couple of weeks since I started using this stand, and I've got to say it's performed quite well. I've been impressed with it. For the price of it, it's the cheapest model on the market, but it's performed really well. There's just one thing I'm not too impressed with, and that's the lock and casters. Now they're fine up to now, but the lock on them is just plastic, so I'm just a bit unsure how long that's going to last for, whether that'll fail over time, but only time will tell. But I've been really impressed with it up to now. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.